Hello teachers, so we are now for our next NCOY, yung ating NCOY 5.5.2. So makikita nyo din po ito or hihingin din for teacher 3. So ito po, needed for teacher 6. So as teachers applying, dapat po may guide po tayo ng ating mga kinakailangan. So ano po ba yung hinahanap dito? So sa ating NCOY 5.5.2, it asks for the utilize assessment data to inform the modification of teaching and learning practices and programs. So here, hinihingi po sa atin, ibig sabihin po nito, the teacher uses the results of learners' assessment like quizzes, periodic tests, or performance tasks to adjust and improve how they teach. So in short, as teachers, it's about not just giving tests. So hindi lang po yun about, but using the results to guide changes in lessons, strategies, and activities so that the learner's needs are better met. So, yun po ang ibig sabihin nitong PPST 5.5.2. So, makikita nyo naman po sa screen, hinihingi dyan is isang MOV, but in all quarters po dapat makikita. So, kapag naghalimbawa po, ito nakikita nyo, ang periodic test ang inyong ginamit. The assessment result. Then based from the assessment result, nag-conduct tayo ng item analysis. Then based from that, nahanap natin ng least learned skills. So ito po yung sample. Then yung mga subjects na hinawakan natin. Okay, prepared po ninyo yan. Then gawa po tayo ng annotation. Okay. So sample annotation. So isa po yan sa MOV. Then, next MOV po is narrative report. Halimbawa, nag-conduct tayo ng intervention. So, gawan po natin siya ng narrative report. So, yan po. Pakipause na lang if you want to focus sa content. Then, prepare din nyo ulit. Then, noted the principal. Next, MOV number 3. So, since nagkaroon kayo ng intervention, what are the materials that you utilize? So, nakita po natin. For example, if you have used SIMS, then pictures of the conduct of remediation, caption, then another po na pwede nating idagdag is the action plan. So, gumagawa naman po tayo, di ba, nito per learning area. Halimbawa sa science, so ito po yung ating action plan or action plan for the conduct of the remediation. So, yan po. Prepare ninyo, then noted ulit ni principal. Then, in the conduct of the remediation, we should provide the attendance sheet. Ayan. Okay, so yan po yung MOVs. So, 1 MOV lang po ang kailangan. Halimbawa, least learned skills. Idagdag nyo po pala dito yung item analysis result. Kasi siya po yung basis din ng inyong least learned skills. Then, again po, ulitin ko, 1 MOV needed pero in 4 quarters. Halimbawa, kung ito ay list of least learned skills, dapat in 4 quarters yung papakita nyo. Quarter 1, quarter 2, 3, and 4. So, ayan po ha. Sana po clear po tayo dyan. Kung ang papakita nyo naman ay minutes or narrative report ng inyong intervention, just make sure that in that, nababanggit nyo na in all quarters ginawa or may kanya-kanya tayong or may intervention tayong ginawa for each quarter. So, yan po. Clear po. Dapat yan. Ayan po ha. So, I know this one is easy naman because ito po ay hiningi na sa atin sa nakaraang RPMS. So, I hope that is cleared for everybody. Comment na lang po kayo kung may mga suggestion kayo o may mga tanong. So, that's all po muna for now. Good luck po sa inyong promotion or sa inyong reclassification journey. God bless everyone.